Hello and welcome to TSA Show. I am Henry Real. Today we have a special guest, Dr. Mary Johnson. She is going to tell us all about Turner syndrome.
Hello. My name is Dr. Mary Johnson. I am going to tell you all about one syndrome that affects 1 in every 2,000 girls. This is a syndrome that only girls have and can go unnoticed for many years.
Wait. How come this only affects girls? What about us guys?
Turner syndrome is when a girl is missing part or all of her X chromosome. Girls can survive if they have only one X chromosome. But sadly, guys cannot survive with only a Y chromosome. This results in death by a miscarriage.
Why does Turner syndrome occur and how does it affect girls?
Turner syndrome is caused by non-disjunction. This occurs when one pair of sex chromosomes don't separate during meiosis. Turner syndrome results in women being sterile because their reproductive system is undeveloped. Most of the girls that have this syndrome are very short. They usually don't reach 5 feet tall unless they receive growth hormones.
But what causes the girls to be short?
The X chromosomes contain a gene called the SHOX gene. The SHOX gene is responsible for creating a SHOX protein that helps with bone growth. One of the SHOX genes that are needed for growth is on the X chromosomes. Since Turner syndrome has only one X chromosome, it is missing a SHOX gene, which results in their short stature.
You mentioned girls with Turner syndrome being short and undeveloped. What are the other effects or symptoms of the syndrome?
Some of the main symptoms are webbed neck, swollen hands and feet, short fingers and toes, and scoliosis. There are many more symptoms, but every girl is different. Some girls might have a more severe case than others, depending on how much of their X chromosome is missing. Girls that are missing an X chromosome in all their cells have the severe form. They could experience a lot of these symptoms and also have many problems like hearing problems, high blood pressure, thin bones, and type 2 diabetes. Girls that are missing an X chromosome on some of their cells have the mild case. This is called mosaic Turner syndrome. Another form is when the X chromosome is missing a part, and the other sides of the chromosome form a circle.
So a girl with Turner syndrome can experience a wide range of symptoms. But are there any treatments or cures for Turner syndrome?
There is no cure for Turner syndrome, but there are some treatments. Girls receive growth hormone shots to help them grow taller because they are missing some of the SHOX gene. They also receive estrogen around 12 or 13 to help them develop normally. But they still would be sterile.
Is there anything else you would like to say about girls with Turner syndrome?
Girls with Turner syndrome are normal girls that are just missing a chromosome. Some people say that they are gender neutral because they could be either a guy or girl, but that is far from the truth. They are like everyone else, and many times you cannot tell whether a girl has Turner syndrome or not.
Thank you, Dr. Johnson, for informing us about Turner syndrome. Next time we will hear about hemophilia and why many males in the royal families have it.